Okay, let's talk about biological males in female sports and in their locker rooms. What do you think? Fair, unfair, normal, insane? I think it's the latter. Listen, common sense is going to dictate that boys, men are bigger, they're stronger, they're taller, and their testosterone is raging. What about this? Women are being seriously injured by men on the sports field, biological men identifying as women. They've also been subjected to these men exposing their male genitalia in full view in their locker rooms. What about this? Then you've got toxic men like Tim Walsh, Tampon Tim, and Justin Trudeau, and they want to install tampon vending machines in boys' locker rooms. Well, how insane is this? I'm appealing to all parents, especially the mothers, that you're like lionesses and mama bears, and the men aren't going to do it. They're totally addicted to porn. They're so guilt-ridden, they've lost their raw. So ladies, mama bears, lionesses, you're going to have to stand up, protect your daughters, and resist this madness.